Question 15 is 4 marks. This is where everyone struggles. To do this question, there are different ways. What I recommend is to get rid of the denominators. Try not to have these denominators. So how do we get rid of them? We multiply everything by 3 and we multiply everything by 2. Doing that will cancel the denominators. Let's do it. So I will do multiply all this by 3 times 2. I'll multiply all this by 3 times 2, and I will multiply this by 3 times 2. Now what will happen? This 3 will cancel this 3, and this 2 will cancel this 2. So then we will have 2 only. Let's bring it down. Brackets 4x plus 5 minus the 2 is gone, so we just have 3, and then 3 minus 2x equals 13 times 3 is 39 times 2 is 78. This is calculate allowed. It's alright, you can use your calculator. Now what's going to happen now is we are going to expand these brackets. So 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times 5 is 10, and then we have minus 3 here. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. Minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6x, because minus minus makes positive, and that's equals 78. That's very good. What I will do now is I'll just combine like terms. 8x and 6x makes 14x. 10 minus 9 equals 1, and that gives you 78. That's very good. Now let's just do minus 1 here. What do we have on the left side is 14x. So 14x equals 77. To find x, divide by 14, divide by 14, and x is 5.5. How was this question? Was it easy? Now it's your turn. Try this inequality. Comment your answer if you got it. If you find it difficult, comment I can't, or I think we will do it in a different video. Thank you. Bye.